Today I'm doing a very winter friendly makeup using only cream based products, no powder at all. And I'm starting by concealing my dark areas of my face using a concealer by O&O Beauty. If you haven't checked my detailed review on their products, I'm going to link it here up above the video here on the left or right side, and you can go check them out after you watch this video. I'm using a shade that is close to my skin tone and also a lighter shade near my eyes just to brighten. And these are very easy to blend in concealers. I'm using a soft fluffy brush to blend in, and it blends in within no time. And I love the consistency of the cream concealer. When you're in a hurry and you want to look put together quick, then you can go for these concealers. These are very, very easy to use, beginner friendly concealers, which will give you decent amount of coverage. They're also toxic free, cruelty free, and it's an Indian brand, so I feel that their quality is pretty good. The only downside is that they have very limited shades in their concealers. So I have two shades. The one which is close to my skin color is Honey Dip, and the lighter color is called Satin Sand. So I have two of their concealers, and they're good. They are pretty good for for Indian skin tones and for winter weather. If you want more coverage, you can also build it up. I'm using a little more because it didn't fully conceal the acne marks on my face. So I'm just going on and adding a second layer just where I need it. And just tap, tap, tap with your brush, and it's all blended in seamlessly within a few seconds. So that's it about my base today. I'm keeping it very simple, very minimal, not overloading my face with too much products. And you can see the coverage, which is pretty good. You don't see any texture, it doesn't accentuate any texture. It's moisturizing, very, very gentle. And I really love these concealers. I never thought I would fall in love with them, but I really like it. And now I'm going to add some contrast on my face, and using the Milk makeup contouring stick in the color Stoked. And this is a very nice cool toned contour stick. I'm using it in a very, very small amount and just tapping it. You just have to tap it with a brush, and it blends in very, very easily and seamlessly into the skin. Doesn't look any it doesn't leave any harsh streaks, and it is very, very easy to blend in for beginners. If you have never touched a brush before, you can still blend it in without any difficulty. I've also contoured my nose in a very, very small amount, not too much, not dramatic, but just to give it a little more dimension. And within no time, it blends in very, very beautifully into the skin. I'm also using the blush by Milk. This color is called Muse, and this is a very beautiful berry toned color, very easy to blend, same consistency as the contour stick. And also I'm using it on my nose a little on my lips, and the overall look looks pretty seamless and natural. It's not overpowering, and this is something that you can do on the go. You can do it anywhere. If you are in a rush, I would highly recommend you using cream products, products that come in a stick format, because it's easy to carry, it's easy to blend. The workability is very, very beginner friendly, and you don't have to worry about creasing. You don't have to worry about any texture showing through. These are all very, very lightweight, toxin free makeup. And that's the best part. I'm also adding a little bit of gloss on top of this. This is the gloss by Makeup Revolution, and it is a plumping gloss. This is called the Duck Plump, and it is in the color Mauve Out My Way 08. It's a beautiful color, something that you can, you know, add on top of any lipstick. And finally, I'm doing my brows using the brow fixing fiber gel by Benefit. And also I'm just using very lightly to brush through my brows with it. It's a brow gel which is very easy to groom your brows. It is tinted, and I believe it comes in a few colors. I have the number 5, and it is called Brow Volumizing Fiber Gel. So it has fiber and it adds more volume to your brows. After I'm done with this, I'm adding the e.l.f. brow pencil just to fill up areas where I have very sparse brows. I have scanty brow hairs. So I'm filling it up with that pencil. Finally is the time for the eyes. I'm just curling up my lashes a little with this lash curler, and this is a lash curler by Color Bar. I'm not a big fan of this curler, but I don't have any other alternative for this curler, and this does an okay-ish job, but that's what I have at hand. And I'm using the mascara by Benefit, and this is called They Are Real. So this is sorry, this is not They Are Real. This is the this is the mascara by Charlotte Tilbury, and this is their Exagger Eyes mascara, and I'm using it on my lower lash line also. And this is a pretty decent, not dramatic, not you know, nothing extraordinary, but good. I would, if you have something else which you like, I would recommend use that. This is not anything extraordinary. So that's it about this look. If you like it, please hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel for more such content. I'll see you soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.